Welcome back to Meditation with Renee. I am Renee. Thank you for joining me for day 4 of my 30-day meditation challenge, Connect. As always, please find a comfortable position, whether that be sitting on the floor cross-legged or in a comfortable chair. I'm sitting on the sofa with my back supported. Place your hands also in a comfortable position. And if you feel comfortable, close your eyes or leave them open. Starting off with an inhale and a natural exhale. Don't try to control your breath. Don't try to change the speed. Allow it to be natural. Today we will be focusing on our second final day of focus. Use the music as your focal point or your anchor. Why are we doing a second day of focus? Why are we spending another day trying to make sure that we understand or we're more comfortable with focusing? Well, throughout this 30-day challenge, it's important for us to understand the concept and be able to focus on whatever the topic is for the day. Our mind, our thoughts will drift, as we spoke about in the previous days. We understand that our attention can wander. And throughout this 10-minute session, it doesn't matter if it wanders 100 times off. The practice and the discipline is in the actual act of acknowledging that our thoughts have wandered, and we just bring it back. It's the repetition that will allow us to be successful. Again, my mind wandered. My focus And now I'm just gently bringing it back to the music. Just like anything else that we do in our daily lives, you might be working on a project on your computer and your attention might wander off to maybe background noise, television. And you just gently bring it back to the task at hand, which in that case would be your computer project. In this case would be the music. Your spouse comes in, asks a question. After you answer, you acknowledge that your focus has wandered, and you gently bring it back without non-judgment. And let's just remember that non-judging means that, yes, you will be somewhat dissatisfied with your focus at times, but you won't be hard on yourself to the point where you're adding to a negative. Great job today. Remember, the hard part is actually taking a seat and carving out 10 minutes for yourself. I want to thank you for allowing me to be a part of your daily meditation practice. Go ahead and start to wiggle your toes. Maybe wiggle your fingers. Gently open your eyes if you had them closed. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow.